Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is New Life with Precious. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Precious. I believe you are doing fine. In case you are new here, you are welcome. I really appreciate you. On this channel, I share a lot of spiritual tips for people that want to manifest in life, for people that want to stop shame, embarrassment, regret, and disappointment, for people that want to use just simple natural ingredients to stop spiritual problems. All right, so remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell so that whenever I upload my videos, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so continue watching my video, like, comment, and share my videos with your friends and family. All right, how to make use of simple natural products, to solve your problems. So drop by your doorstep before going to bed and watch things happening. All right, we all have enemies. There are a lot of enemies all around. So you have to make sure that you silence them. Okay, make sure that they are in trouble. Enemies can be anyone. Unfortunately, many of us don't know our enemies. So in that case, just do this. All right, so I made a video a while using onion. So we're going to be using onion. As you know, as a means of protection, onion can be used. Onion is natural. The juice is highly effective. It has a lot of spiritual benefits. It has the ability to cleanse, to purify, to cleanse any dirtiness, any filthiness, or charms. It can destroy charms. All right. So anything that the enemy, that the evil person has planted in your life, that they have planted against your life, your business, your finances, onion has the power to destroy them by the grace of God. It is going to destroy it. So what you have to do is just remove, just get onion. All right. So get one onion and just remove the skin. You may remove it, you may not remove it. It doesn't really matter. Or don't remove it. Just wash the onion very well. All right. Don't remove, just wash it very well to remove all the dirtiness around it. Okay. So all you have to do is just wash it. All right. And after washing it very well, you have to cut the onion. Okay. And blend it. Make sure you cut it into small pieces and blend it. All right, so that you can bring out the juice of the onion. After getting out the juice, you have to pray with it. You can add more water if the juice is so little. All right, so go to your doorstep at the entrance of your house. Okay, just spray the water, the onion juice around that place. As you are doing that, I want you to be praying that any force, any evil forces, any evil charm, all right, that the enemy has put around you, that the enemy has put in your home, that it has put in your house, in your business, in your finances, just continue to pray very fervently that you want God to use this onion juice as a point of contact to destroy every charm, to destroy every evil attack. All right, anything that the enemy has planted to destroy the life of your loved one, okay, that they should not come to pass. Okay, and that is what you want to do, so that you can cancel every evil plan, so that you can cancel every evil plan of the evil ones. All right, so just make sure you go right ahead and do that, because when the enemies do this, no matter what you do, you won't have any progress. You won't succeed in anything that you do. And it is the intention of God, to make you succeed, to live a good life, okay, to be rich, to be progressive in life. And that's your own desire too. You don't want any evil person to stop this from coming to pass in your life. All right, remember, you're putting the onion juice around your doorstep. Just do it like that. After doing it, you have to go back to sleep. You have to do this before you go to bed. Okay, it is not every night. Actually, do it like once in a while. Do it, but you should do it before you go to bed. This spiritual cleansing is one that is going to cleanse out and protect every member of your household, and anybody that wants to affect you. Okay, that person would never succeed. As you live in that house, as you live in that room, you will see that after this, whatever thing that you desire will start working for you. All right. Also pray for healing. That anybody that you want to be healed, pray for that person. If there is any spiritual sickness, any spiritual affliction, any kind in your house, in your life, in the life of your of your loved one, pray for them for healing. You will see that they will be healed. You will see that things will start working well for you. Things will start falling in place for you. Things that have been hard for you in the past, they will start getting easier, and you'll be shocked. You will see that you will experience progress. You will see that you will succeed in everything that you do. You will see that once you have done this, you will return evil back to the sender. You will return their evil plans back to them. Okay, this is highly effective. It is very spiritual. Just do it like that. Okay, then go to bed. All right, and also make sure that you read Psalm 35. This is a part of the prayer. Just read it at midnight, okay, during prayer, and you see that God will start fighting for you. Anything that the enemies want to do to you, God will always fight for you. Your enemies will be defeated by the grace of God. So go right ahead and do this. And and once it has worked for you, please come back to my channel to share your testimony. Okay, I'll be waiting for your testimony. For more spiritual videos to help your life, to make sure that you solve your problems, all spiritual problems, watch these videos over there. Don't skip them. They are very important. All right, and remember to subscribe now to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos with your friends and family. It means so well to me. Let us reach more people. All right, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. I love you so much. Bye bye.